Hi guys, so I turned this low-res image to this using simple prompt and free version of ChatGPT and Gemini. Now here is the sample image we are going to upscale. I downloaded the image from Pixabay. So this is the image and you can see the size is small, only 640 by 427 pixels. The image gets a little pixelated if I try to zoom it. Anyway, now let's try to upscale it. Let me close this. Here is the ChatGPT. This is the free version. Attach the image, sample image, and this is the prompt we are going to use. We found this prompt somewhere online and this is not what we created. Anyway, copy this and paste it here and see the magic happens. And this image generation will take some time. By the way, the free version of ChatGPT only allows to attach 5 images. So here is the image. Let me quickly download it. I will put it to the desktop. And you can see the difference. The size is about 1537 by 1023. And look at the quality of this image. It is very nice. Comparing to the original image. By the way, you can use the same prompt with Gemini too. Let me upload file. Let's use the same prompt. Oh, it is trying to paste the image. Anyway, let me quickly copy the prompt and generate. Sometimes ChatGPT gives a better result while sometimes Gemini. So please try both of them. So here is the image. Let me open it and we'll download it. Let me put this to the desktop as well. And here is the image from Gemini. A little smaller in size but is also very good. But I think ChatGPT did a better result for this. So please do give it a try. Thank you very much.